Today is an interesting case on a very young patient who underwent hair transplant surgery on another clinic, which was unsuccessful. But now we're doing a second repair hair transplant, and we also discovered that this patient, aside from having androgenic alopecia, has a rare case of alopecia areata, which is called alopecia areata incognita. So this is very rare and sometimes misdiagnosed or missed because it is usually and more commonly associated with androgenic
Here at
alopecia.
Hair Restoration Center, we use the HairMetrix technology for thorough scalp examinations. And if a patient is diagnosed with AG8 and decides to undergo a hair transplant, he will fully understand what to expect from the procedure.